Hey Sparkers! Today I'm sharing practical, easy-to-follow tips to help you save $750 in just 30 days. That's right, whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or have a bit more wiggle room, SparkForge got hacks for every income level. Stay tuned because these aren't generic tips. We're talking real strategies you can start today to make saving simple and, dare I say, fun. Plus, I'll show you how small changes add up fast. Let's get started to what makes your account balance happy. Okay, first things first, how do we tackle $750 in just 30 days? Break it into manageable chunks. That's $25 per day, or about $187.50 per week. Think about it. If you can make small changes every day, you'll hit your goal before you know it. So let's dive into the first set of tips, daily habits that can save you money without turning your life upside down. Saving money daily doesn't mean sacrificing all your fun. It's about making small swaps that add up over time. Here are some simple ways to save $25 a day. 1. Cut back on takeout. If you're spending $10 to $15 on lunch, pack your own instead. Not only will you save money, but you'll probably eat healthier too. 2. Ditch the daily coffee run. Brew your coffee at home. A $5 latte every day adds up to $150 in 30 days. Ouch. 3. Use cashback apps. Apps like Rakuten or Honey can save you money on things you're already buying. 4. Skip impulse buys. Before you buy something, ask yourself, do I really need this? Try a 24-hour rule for non-essentials. Even if you only try 2 of these, you could save $10 to $15 a day. Now let's look at some weekly strategies that can make an even bigger impact. Sometimes the biggest savings come from what you do once or twice a week. These tips will help you hit those weekly savings goals. 1. Declutter and sell. Take a few hours this weekend to sell clothes, furniture, or gadgets you don't need on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. You could easily make $100 to $200 this month. 2. Cancel subscriptions. Go through your bank statements. Are you paying for subscriptions you don't use? Canceling even 2 or 3 could save $20 to $50 a month. 3. Plan meals like a pro. Meal planning isn't just for fitness buffs. By sticking to a grocery list and avoiding takeout, you can save $50 to $75 each week. 4. Switch to free entertainment. Swap expensive nights out for free or low-cost activities. Game nights, local events, or even a cozy movie night at home can save $50 a week or more. These weekly strategies make saving easier without feeling like a chore. Now, let's dive into tips tailored for different income levels, so no one's left out. Everyone's budget is different, so here are tips for low, middle, and higher income earners. For low income, cut utilities costs. Unplug devices when not in use, lower your thermostat, or use energy-saving bulbs. This could save $20 to $50 in just a month. Use free resources. Check out community food banks, free transportation days, or local giveaways. For middle income, negotiate your bills. Call your internet, phone, or insurance providers and ask for better rates. You'd be surprised how often this works. Pause non-essential spending. Delay non-urgent purchases like gadgets or vacations. For high-income, automate savings. Set up an automatic transfer of $750 to a savings account this month. It's a no-brainer. Review investments. Cash out underperforming investments or take advantage of bonuses or windfalls. No matter your income, there's a strategy here for you. What matters is committing to the process. Here are a few extra tricks to help you hit that $750 faster. Round up savings apps. Apps like Acorns. Round up your purchases and stash the spare change into savings. Use gift cards. Pay for groceries or essentials with unused gift cards lying around. Side hustles. Try short-term gigs like freelancing, babysitting, or delivering food. Even $50 a week adds up fast. With these bonus hacks, you might even exceed your $750 goal. I'll be glad if you would.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Here's the secret to saving money. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how consistent you are. Write down your goal. Seeing it every day keeps you focused. Track your progress. Celebrate every milestone, even small ones. Reward yourself. Once you hit $750, treat yourself to something decent, like a nice dinner or a fun activity, or anything that makes you happy. Saving money isn't just about cutting back. It's about building habits that help you thrive. So, which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If this video gave you ideas to save money, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little extra cash this month. And don't forget to subscribe to Spark Forge for more simple, practical money tips. I'm certain you won't have any cause for regrets. Thanks for watching, and remember, saving $750 is just the start. Every dollar saved brings you closer to financial freedom. You've got this. See you next with the best of what you love. Stay sparked till then.